Hi everyone. Today on the bench we have a Philips Type B3X70U radio receiver from 1957. It has a long wave, medium wave, and short wave bands only, and the pickup. Let's open it to see how it looks inside. It looks very dirty. I think we should blow some air to clean it up. It's a lot of dust. I don't know how many years it has been never used, so it's better to dust it off and also to check the contacts on the potentiometers and the band switches. It's always a good idea, and to visually check all the contacts in the circuit behind. This is the volume control part and the tone control. Little bit contact cleaner, and also these are the band switches. Little bit contact cleaner over there. To my surprise, circuit looks very good visually. I can see nothing is short circuit. Everything looks good. The resistors color code also is looking very good. They look very new after so many years. The capacitors are also looking very fine. To my surprise, those components, they have a much higher life than the SMD electrolytic capacitor. Let's turn on. Yeah, we can hear some station. Oh, it's working. That's a good sign. So it's alive. You can see, I can smell also from the heated vacuum tubes. And yeah, let's close it. Closing and opening is very easy. There are 4 screws on the back side, 2 on the down. Very easily can be opened. So I like this old radios because they are very easy to maintain and repair. So now it's time to see. Here we are on the medium wave band. Let's listen the stations.
Waiting to come on. No, Mikel Arteta is going to wait a little longer. Pep soon enough as well. Perhaps looking to the bench to make the changes. Sure who and how, but certainly. There's drama to come. City send it forward to Haaland. I know your time is tight, and yet you thought of me. Man, White passes it away, but gives it away. All of the match to get the ball rolling. O'Reilly takes it out towards the. Nothing wrong here, and the performances have been good, but City just at the moment edging it.
Well, if they win today, Manchester City, and then go to Burnley on Wednesday.
Sufficient political antennae to reach the Liberal Democrats to HM revenue and customs. Claims, which haven't been confirmed by the BBC, he ran for.
Засуха. Всего отменяла и превратилась в элисты.
печатное дело.
Тебе нравится печать? Я сейчас учусь каллиграфии. А по традиции каллиграфы в конце надписи обычно прикладывают свою печать.
Раз мы заговорили про китайские печати, скажи. Были тяжелыми и неудобными. Если они ломались, чаще всего приходилось беречь.
Well, she's gone, gone, gone. Yes, she's gone, gone, gone. Ain't it down, down, down in my love has gone. But before it down, yes, before it
Бумагой и порохом книгопечатание трех великих изобретений древних китайцев.
Вас